Now, after we are done with the thin layer chromatography, we are left with what we call a chromatogram. So this plate that includes the spots that has traveled different distances, this is called the chromatogram. You can see that each component, which is each spot, has moved different distance. Now, how we are going to use these spots on this chromatogram? How can we benefit from these spots that has traveled at different distances? Well, we use them to calculate something we call the retention factor, which we abbreviate as RF. This factor, this retention factor, is used to compare and help identify compounds. So if I got the retention factor, I can identify what chemical is that. The formula that we use to calculate the RF value is as follows. It is equal to the distance moved by the spot divided by the distance moved by the solvent. Calculating RF values. Let's now calculate together the RF values of some of the spots that we received on the TLC papers. Here is an example of a point that we got on a thin layer chromatography paper, and we're gonna learn now together how can we calculate the value of this spot here. So I have the point A. What I have to do is that I need to drag the ruler and put the 0 on the line that we drew at the bottom, and the other side of the ruler should reach the upper line we have on top. After that, we need to read the values of the distance traveled by the solvent and the distance traveled by the point A. So first, we measure the distance traveled by the solvent, and in this case, it is 5.3, and the distance traveled by the point A is 1.2 centimeter. If we divide them together, so if I divide 1.2 over 5.3, I will get the RF value, which is 0.23. Now, let's take another example. Again, we drag the ruler. We're gonna measure the distance of the solvent, and here it is 4.5 centimeter, and the distance traveled by point A is 2.2 centimeter. If we divide them, you will have 2.2 divided by 4.5, then you will get a retention factor equals to 0.49.